like to introduce my nurse, my registered nurse, Elaine,
Hello.
to the program, because Elaine is very critical in hormone replacement therapy, which we're going to be talking about in a few minutes, because there's a lot of patient intake, blood work that needs to be performed. And Elaine will be the one that's steering that. So she'll be your point person, and I'll be doing a lot of the background stuff, so you can see a lot of it. So let's talk about hormone replacement therapy. This product we use is Dexabel, and we use this product because it's a bioidentical hormone, which is derived from yam. It's plant-based from yams, and it gives you a natural hormone replacement versus a synthetic replacement, which is the problem that we've seen over the years with replacing your hormone using synthetic brand. And we talk about hormone replacement therapy from many perspectives. We talk about it from the perspective of male and female. Yes, female, not just estrogen, but testosterone replacement is very critical, because we found that over the years, if you have a high level of testosterone, women perform better, feel better, and function better. All these things that you talk about, low energy, lack of focus, sexual dysfunction, weight gain, anxiety, and poor sleep, are usually a result of the deficiency of hormones. So female replacement hormone therapy is not only with estrogen, but it's also with testosterone. Male replacement therapy is mainly with testosterone. So here you are with pain management. I've been doing pain management for almost 30 years now. And I've always known that hormone replacement is very critical, because especially males with low testosterone, their pain level is diminished in the sense of they are more affected by pain because of the lack of testosterone. So they seem to do poorly when you do all these other treatments on them and you don't focus on trying to replace their hormone as well. So we use this product to try to replace your hormone, and it's requiring a lot of blood work, where you get an analysis, you do a questionnaire to see where you are as far as the spectrum of how you feel. And we look for all these things, and we track it to see how you respond after the therapy. And this is done by pellets. They're pellet implantation. That's very simple to be done. Women are super simple, because it's a one pellet injection, one shot, and men are a little more challenging because you need sometimes a larger dose of testosterone. But needless to say, they're both very simple processes, outpatient procedure. Now, a little bit of local anesthetic and a little bit of a little take on the skin, and basically you're done. We do give you some do's and don'ts when you have treatments to make sure that that the pellets stay within where they're supposed to, and that you're doing well. So this is basically what we'd like to introduce to you, a part of the wellness program once again. We do NAD infusion, we do immune booster, we use a lot of infusions intravenously. Now you're adding another component to add to the benefit of all the things that we've been doing here for years, making sure we focus on your hormones to make sure that your experience and your total body experience is one that is really putting you in a very supercharged position. And we've seen that happens quite a bit with patients when they go through the entire program. Once again, the hormone replacement therapy is not a covered benefit from insurance, so it's an out-of-pocket expense. And you can call us and we can give you pricing for male or female for hormone replacement therapy.